was sponsored by Moose Toys. I'm so bored.
Hey, Roro, I've got a surprise for you. Roro, this is the most special bird ever. She has the most beautiful singing voice.
What?
Her name is Polly Pearl. Do you think you can protect her for me?
What? A beautiful singing voice? I have an idea.
Okay, I've got to go run some errands. So remember, keep an eye on the bird.
I need a new plan. I got a plan to get the dog asleep with this. Watch this. It does have a beautiful voice. La, la, la. Its wings light up when it sings! Be quiet! It records my voice and repeats what I say! Cool! I have a perfect idea. Doggy, do you want the ball? Do you want the ball? Then go fetch! I knew that plan would work. Wow, she's so soft, just like a real bird. It likes that I'm petting its back.
Pets, I'm home, and you'll never guess what I found at the store. More little birds. Huh? Cat, what are you doing with the bird? And where's the dog? They were supposed to be watching Polly Pearl.
It's not what it looks like.
Wait, you can talk?
The bird has such a beautiful voice. I need it for the lead singer of my band.
And you're in a band?
Yeah.
That's weird. I even have backup singers.
Even better. Thanks, Mick. Let's rock and roll. Let's rock and roll. Wait, what happened to the dog? She's still playing with her ball outside. Parents, you can find a little life pet, little birds, at Target, Walmart, or Amazon. See you next time, guys. Bye.